I just collect the daily waste like this and then just transfer it in an airtight curd box like this. Once the box is full, I will transfer it to a pot. See, this is just a pot. Once the curd box is full, I'll just transfer the stuff into this and I will add soil on top of it. This in this curd box I have been storing it for almost 15 days. Two curd boxes are there, so almost for 15 days I have been storing it. And look at it, how the this thing is, and it doesn't stink or something. It is actually very the flavor is very nice. It is like a pickle. The smell of this is like a pickle or a fermented smell. You will get a fermented smell. I'll just add some soil on top of this and cover it. That's it. And maybe after a week or so, we can give a nice mix to this pot. That's it. Now this curd box is empty, so this is daily waste. I'll just add it in this curd box. Keep it closed till it is full. We can just press it down and keep adding adding in this, and then once it is full, we can transfer it to the pot and top it with soil. And this is, see, I did a similar thing in a different pot. Since this is full, I am adding it in the other pot which I showed you earlier, and this is how it will turn into a black gold. See, and this will smell like forest. It will be very nice. We can just add some water to this pot. It's dry. This one we can just add some water to this, and we can just crush these leaves, whichever is dry, and this is already ready. This compost is already ready.